trim function is useful to neaten up text, but it also can help you when it comes to certain calculations. So for example, here we've got a whole bunch of part names, units purchased, and we've done a bit of a calculation here. And you'll see it's saying, we're using a SUMIF here, it's saying that CCC, product part name CCC, has got 0. But if you look here, CCC, there's actually 4 of them. So for some reason there's an error here. If you look closely, if I go to the end of this one, can you see that that end there, there's nothing afterwards? When I come to this one here and I click, again, don't click close to the word, click far away, and you'll see there's a space there. And that space is causing the problems. So how we can use trim, is if I come over here and we do the trim function, what trim does is it removes all the spaces from the text string except for a single space between words. So when I point at that cell, if you look closely, you'll see that what this is saying is it's CCC and there's a space there before the inverted commas, and it's going to convert it into CCC, no space. When I say OK, I can copy it down and up, and these won't matter because these don't have spaces, but it doesn't really matter. But what it now means is that 1 will be like for like. That is CCC, no space, comparing to CCC, no space. So trim is a very useful one to get rid of spaces, especially spaces at the end like this, which are very hard to see unless you click in the cell.